To troubleshoot an Authorize.net payment form, start by checking the payment form configuration to ensure it is properly set up. Verify that the form is using the correct API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are provided by Authorize.net and are necessary for authenticating payment requests. Next, check the payment form fields to ensure they are correctly formatted and populated. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code fields. Make sure that the card number is entered without any spaces or dashes and that the expiration date is in the correct format. Another common issue is with the payment amount. Ensure that the payment amount is correctly formatted and is a valid numeric value. Also, check that the payment form is using the correct currency code. If the payment form is still not working, check the Authorize.net response codes. These codes provide detailed information about the payment processing result, including any errors that may have occurred. Common response codes include approved, declined, and error. To further troubleshoot the issue, enable the payment form debug mode. This will provide more detailed information about the payment processing request and response, including any errors that may have occurred. It is also important to check the Authorize.net account settings to ensure that the account is active and enabled for payment processing. Verify that the account has sufficient funds and that there are no holds or restrictions on the account. Best practices for troubleshooting an Authorize.net payment form include regularly testing the payment form to ensure it is working correctly, using a payment form debug mode to identify issues, and keeping the payment form software up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and effectively troubleshoot an Authorize.net payment form and ensure that it is working correctly and securely processing payments. Regularly reviewing the payment form configuration and testing the payment form can help prevent issues and ensure a smooth payment processing experience for customers.